Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to write above a line in Google Docs. So let us jump into it, people. First thing you want to do is open Google Docs. That's docs.google.com, and you want to create a new document. So you can see I've got some text here, and there's a few different ways to do it. I'm going to show you how. The first thing you want to do is triple click on your text. You're going to go ahead and click the U with the underline icon underneath it, and that's in your toolbar, and that'll just automatically underline whatever text you have now selected. Another way of doing this is just making sure that before you even type anything, you tap on that U with the underline underneath it, and you'll see your text will come out underlined. So that is another way of doing it. There are two other ways. The next way of doing this is going ahead up to the toolbar, and you will see insert. Now you're going to tap on insert, and you're going to look for table, and you're going to select the 1 by 1. You can see here now that we've created a table, and we are going to put our text inside this table. As you can see, it's not underlined, but it's actually got a border around it. So we're going to select the top line. If you put your cursor over it, it makes an arrow and two lines. You're going to hold in shift, and you're going to select the sides as well, and you're going to select that side. Now we're going to go up over here. You can see it says border color, and you can use that drop down menu. You can make it the same color as your background, and now you can also go ahead, once you're done, you can select that last line or last section of the border. You can now also change the weight or the size or the thickness of your border, and you can also change what it actually looks like. So there we go. The last way of doing this is in actual fact just creating that bottom line. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to go to format in our toolbar, and at the top there's paragraph styles, and here you can see it says borders and shading. We're going to tap on that. At the top it says position, and the second little block there, you can see that the line is underneath, so we're going to select that one. We can now select our border width. We're going to make it 3 points. We can change the style, the color we're going to make black, and the background color we're going to make the same as our page color, and then the paragraph padding, that's how the text fits inside of that border. We're going to go ahead and tap on apply, and there is another line. You can now type, this is underlined, and it is now underlined. There's a few ways of writing text above a line in Google Docs. If this was helpful, drop us a like, drop us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Cheers.